sir, excuse me. Have you heard about your car's extended warranty? Did you know? It's coming to an end, sir? Excuse me, sir. Sir. He doesn't want to hear about his extended warranty. If I had extended warranty, I would want it.
We got the Revo and the sledge out here today. Want to see what we can break. Just kidding. We're not going to break anything.
No.
I'm going to try to ride a wheelie, though. That's for sure.
Wheelie with no wheelie bar.
No wheelie bar.
Let's compare it to the XRT with the wheelie bar so you can ride a better wheelie. Oh, messed up a little bit. Oh, almost ran me over.
Almost ran me over.
Wow.
Oops. Big girl. But then I just get camera shy.
It's hard with the XRT because the center diff is so loose.
Yeah. That was a good one.
Front wheel spin.
That was a good one, man.
Well, the wheelie bar definitely stops it from back flipping.
Yep. Unlike mine, where I can just...
Well, mine could be a driver mod.
True.
It could be a skill issue.
Thought that was a truck shot at first. Good thing Nick's a good driver. Oh no! My axle just fell out, dude.
Really?
Look at that.
Oh.
My axle just fell out. What the heck?
Well, now we know about the Alibaba axles. Which one? Oh, front one.
This three-wheel, dude, it just shredded off. Look at this. It just shredded right off.
Trash. Wow. Yeah, look right there.
Oh man, so we're three-wheel drive for today. That's gonna be fun.
We'll see if it's still. I mean, it should still go. So
Yeah.
at least it's still drivable.
Yeah, she still drives.
A few moments later.
Oh, she's already acting up. Everything's acting up. What the heck? Bro, what's going on? It's tweaking? Bro, what is going on? I've never had this happen. Why is it tweaking?
Can you hit the gas? Oh. Oh, your remote died.
No, it's green.
I thought it was off.
It's green. What is going on? I'm not doing that. What the heck? It's a runaway. Runaway Revo.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, I think the ESC's done. You hear that?
Oh.
Time for a new 6S.
Same on the
6S
black one.
ESC.
It just went out.
This ESC is like 12 years old, so I wouldn't doubt it going out, but still. What the heck? So if I plug it in.
Oh, that does not sound good.
This is now yellow. That is blinking red, my receiver, and it's not listening to me. It's just doing its own thing.
All right, guys, so we had to get a new ESC because we burnt out the old Mamba Monster. We're going to see how this one does. I've raced an E-Revo Gen 2 that had this system, and he absolutely smoked me. So I'm thinking these new ones are better than the Mamba Monster. Let's go ahead and throw it on and see how it works. Looky there. We got the VXL 6S system in here. This is off of a E-Revo Gen 2, even though this is an E-Revo Gen 1. My buddies over at Havoc Speed got this all taken care of for me. Thanks to the Traxxas lifetime warranty, this thing was half off. Had to just send in my other Mamba Monster, so we're no longer with the Mamba Monster. But I've raced one of these before, and it smoked me. So pretty sure these are even better than the old Mamba Monsters. We're going to see how this little baby does.
Where do you guys usually see seagulls? At the beach. We are at the park, okay? He doesn't belong here. I have beef with seagulls. They've attacked me many times before. Excuse me, sir. You don't belong here. What are you doing around these parks? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, get away.
No. Why is there so many no's? I just want to ride my bike with my drone while I'm feeding animals
and I plan on camping here and starting a fire and collecting flowers, and I can't even have my dog. Who wants to come here? Not me. No.
Then why are we walking in?
Because it's beautiful. And I'm with you.
I love you.
All right, let's see how this bad girl does on the new VXL 6S system.
Oh my gosh. Can I still do standing backflips? Yes, I can. Amazing.
Now for a little speed run.
Wow. I'd say she's pretty feisty. That one tire's wobbling so bad.
Thank you again, guys, and see you in the next video.